Matt! Yell Matt.
Matt!
Oh. Woo.
Well, I think they're part of their volunteers are part of the
Bobby!
Too far. They're pretty decent shape. If we're gonna walk, probably the next time we slow down.
Do you want us to walk?
So we can stop in a second.
Yeah. Oh, there's Midas, as you can see on our exciting travel video. Just traveling through downtown Castle Rock on this parade float. We're number 48, so we're quite a bit back. The people that actually started the parade are done. We could probably stand up though back here, I bet. I think we're about to run out.
We are, yeah.
Oh, I thought you fell off. I was like, where'd Sam go? I just looked. Matt's saying we got a whole nother street, so. I always throw it and then like we'll move as I throw it, so I'm like yeah, I know, that's why I've been conserving not throwing. Matt's throwing some that way somewhere. I'll just wait till because there'll be people on that street coming too. Okay. It's still all the way down.
I mean, a lot of people do like shit.
Works it now? It's like Roswell all over.
I'm recording the best.
We're getting there. Slowly. I think it's because when we go to turn it. Yeah.
We do have massive view and in utilizing my amazing reading skills, state champion, Castle Rock High. Look at the goalie there. The goalie protecting 5 holes, jumping off the truck, get up here. Marching proudly in the Douglas County Fair Parade. It's the Saber Cat Hockey Program.
Hopefully you have enough space on that camera. The other one.
Oh yeah.
It goes right into that.
They're right there.
To the right.
Right there.
Right there. What? Anyone else we know? There's one up there. I'll find it. Shoot, shoot.
We're just driving over.
We're just driving right over the median. Brace yourself.
That wasn't too bad. I think it'll be coming off of it.
Coming off is going to be interesting. Nope, that wasn't bad at all.
I think it's more bad because there's no wheel up there. The
Yeah.
wheels are with us, so it made it easier.
Yeah.
First, I've just been chucking handfuls of eagles at me. I was like,
Yeah. And I filled this up.
Ghostbusters!
Ghostbusters?
Yeah, the Ghostbusters had them.
Oh.